Whether it is Liangzhu ancient city or the Acropolis, it is our young generation's mission and responsibility to pass on and work cultural heritage.
As a Liangzhu promoter, I would like to introduce more about Liangzhu to the young people in Athens.
Let's do it!
I was very excited to see this exercise here with the wonderful painting and how especially younger people, but older people, can actually paint and finish the coloring of the paint. It's a very good idea because it brings people together, it excites them because they are doing something productive and they work like a team.
Last November, I had the opportunity to be selected by the Chinese Embassy to participate in a huge Liangzhu forum under the title Silk Road Rendezvous, a tour for foreign artists promoting exchanges and mutual learning between civilizations.